Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by tackling the question paper with intent. Read the scenario and underline costs, prices, dates, and percentages so you can quote evidence. Once done, identify the command word and expected mark tariff. This tells you depth and structure. Make sure to allocate time per question from the 45-minute paper and jot a 1-minute plan. Thesis, evidence, analysis. This first step secures marks quickly and prevents wasted writing on irrelevant detail. You now build the middle of your answer by applying business theory directly to the case. Start each paragraph with a clear point, immediately apply it to the firm using specific figures, then explain why that matters for objectives or stakeholders. Once you connect theory and evidence, include short calculations or ratios where relevant and interpret them. Make sure to link paragraphs with words like therefore or however, so examiners follow your logical chain toward a supported judgment. You finish by writing a concise conclusion that answers the question directly. State your judgment and the main reason. Then refine. Add one evaluative sentence weighing advantages versus disadvantages to access higher marks, and ensure any numerical claims are consistent. If time remains, proofread for calculation errors and unclear links. If you get stuck, note your assumptions and what extra data you would need. This shows reasoning and can earn part.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.